Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to download, install and configure JDK on your Windows 11 system. In the later part, we will also see how to write your first Java program using Eclipse IDE and execute. So without any further delay, let's start. The first thing you need to do is open your favorite browser. Let me open one. And then you need to search Oracle Java and hit enter. You will see Oracle's official website as your first search result. You need to go inside that. Here you can see a button on the top right corner to download the Java. So click on that. Here you can see the version 17 is available to download. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you will see there are three options available, listing down the operating systems as Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. We need to click on Windows. You need to click on the link which is present in front of S64 installer. This will download the executable file for Windows which will have Java 17 setup. Once the download is complete, go to the location where exe file has been downloaded and double click on it. This will open the installer screen which will help you to install the JDK 17th version on your system. So from the first screen, just click on next. And in the next screen, you can see it has been mentioned that this Java 17 JDK kit includes private JRE and SRC zip that will require 420 MB on your hard drive extra. So in case the drive in which you are currently installing does not have enough space, so it is advisable to change it to a specific drive where you have enough space available. As in my case, C drive is having enough space available. So I will click on next. And it will start the installation process. As you can see, installer is installing all the required files. Okay, so with this, installation is complete. Now we need to verify if the installation has been successful and the required folders are created. So for that, you need to go to your C directory or the path where you have selected earlier. And inside Java, you can see JDK 17.0.1 is already there. So this confirms that JDK 17 has been installed on your system. Now, in the next step, we need to configure our Windows 11 system so that it can identify the executable or the binaries which has been installed as part of JDK 17. So for that, you need to copy the path where JDK 17 has been installed. Click on Start button and search for environment variables. Here you will see an option, edit the system environment variables. With this, you will get a window like this, system properties. Here you need to go to environment variable. You will see a screen similar to this, and under system variables, you need to find a variable named path. Path is a variable which window will look for while executing any binaries. It will look for all the binaries present in path variable. So here you can see a number of paths are already configured inside this. So what we need to do, we need to click on new and paste the path which we have copied. Not the Java one, we need to copy the JDK 17 path. So I will copy JDK 17 and paste it. Click on OK, click on OK and OK. So with this, JDK 17 has been configured in your Windows machine as well. Now to confirm if the changes are already applied at the environment level, let's check it from the command prompt. Click on Start button and type command prompt. This will open this command prompt window for you. And here you need to enter one command to check the current Java version, which is Java space hyphen version. So as you can see, the latest version has been configured in your operating system also. So with this, we have completed the JDK installation and configuration on your Windows 11 machine. In case you face any issue or have any doubts, please do comment. We will try to help you as soon as possible. So with this, let's move to the second part of our tutorial, which is to write a Java program using Eclipse and execute the same. So in case you do not have Eclipse installed on your system, please watch my previous tutorial where I have explained how to download and install Eclipse on your Windows 11 PC. Link will be available in the description. Now, while you launch, it will ask you for your workspace. Select your workspace and it will open Eclipse. As you can see in the Package Explorer, there is already a link available to create a Java project. Click on that. Provide the project name. So let's provide my project. And in the JRE section, you need to select the execution environment. So we have already installed Java 17. So let's keep the setting as it is. And in case module is selected, then uncheck it. Then click on next and click on finish. This will create a simple Java project for you. And this is the structure you will be able to see. These are the JRE system libraries. It will contain all the jar files which are required by the runtime itself. These are all Java related jar files or libraries. And this is the SRC folder where first we will need to create a package. So let's create a package edu.first project. So I have a package. It's always better to keep your classes classified in the projects. Now right click on the package, go to new and click on class. Now this will be my first class. So I will name it as first class. And we will need a main method. So there are two ways to create main method. First is you do not need to change anything here and click on finish. It will create an empty class for you. Secondly, Eclipse provides an option if you want to have a main method from this screen itself. So I will check this option, click on finish, and you will see a main method will already be provided by Eclipse itself. So this is the comment, we will remove it. So main method is a method from where Java class execution will start. So let's try to print out something. System.out.println. So this is a call where I can provide any string which I want to print on the console. Hello user, welcome to my channel. So with this, I just need to press Ctrl S to save it. And to run this specific class also, there are two options. First one is this play button you can see. This one also can be used to execute this command. And second one is you can open the class, right click on it, go to run as and click on Java application. It will compile and execute your class. As you can see in the console, the output is already printed, whatever we have given inside the println block. This is how you need to create simple Java projects, and you can write classes where you can write your own logic and print the things or manipulate the data. This is for a simple Java project. If you want to create some web related applications also, you can right click on the Package Explorer empty area, go to new and go to others. So here you need to type web. So we need to create a dynamic web project. It will act like a website or a dynamic content provider which you can create using Java. So we will talk about this specific type of project in our future tutorials. So currently let's see what all other options, the important options that we have in Eclipse. So from the project side, if you see, we have these options available. Build all, what it will do, it will build all the projects which are present in your project explorer. Build a project will only build a specific project which you have selected. Clean, it will clean up all the .class files which has been created as part of build and do a build again as a clean build. As you can see, by default build automatically is selected for me, so any changes that I will be making on my classes, it will be built automatically. These are the main option we use from project. On the right hand side top, we have these small icons. These icons are the perspectives for which Eclipse is currently working on. Currently you can see Java is selected. There is one more icon, Java EE, which is for the web related projects. So whenever we have a project which is a dynamic web project, so that perspective will be selected automatically. And we have other perspectives as well, which you can get by clicking on this specific icon. So you can have database debug, Git, because Eclipse can connect to the Git repository for the version control as well. Java is simple Java, and mostly we use Java and Java EE and debugging. So this debugging is whenever your application or your Java class is running in a debug mode. So this will be the perspective selected in Eclipse. Okay, so these are the few basic things, like this is the console. You can find console here. Other than that, if you want to add some more details or some more tabs here, you can always go to window. You need to go to window and show view. So inside show view you will have all the views which you can actually add in the Eclipse, which will be visible to you. So currently we have only these few views available. So suppose whenever I will be adding some tomcats or something like that, so I need to add servers tab also. So that I can search from here and click on that. A servers tab will be added. So from here we will be configuring our tomcat or any other container that we will be using. All those things will be there in our future tutorials. So for this tutorial, that's it. Please do comment if you have any queries or any suggestions, and also please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.